guys.
Hello guys.
I ate spaghetti yung Jollibee.
Say hi guys, Daddy.
Hi. Okay, what are you eating?
Daddy. I'm blaming a video because we can Jollibee.
Okay, can you talk? What are you eating? What are your toys?
Look at this, Daddy. Daddy, what's it?
Batman.
Wait, sorry.
Don't worry. Then we will fix that one later.
Daddy, can you fix it right now? Daddy.
Okay.
Let me do it.
Ikaw niya kamot. You talk na.
Daddy.
Okay, where are you now?
Jollibee.
Then, you're eating.
What's your name? What's this for? Here?
Mommy knows that one.
Mommy don't know. What's this for?
Huh? Mommy. Look, Mom, there's French fries. Look. Mom, there's French fries.
Yeah, there's French fries, but you have spaghetti now. One by one because you cannot eat them all. Ay, masoda din.
Mommy don't know. What you tell to mommy? Who's that?
Just like that.
After this, we will go. Where will we go?
Abigail school.
Fish.
After the fish.
Abigail school.
Wow, look at mommy. Mommy knows.